All right, folks, let's tackle a question that seems to be floating around quite a bit. You've got the app on your phone, you've got the hustle in your step, but do you have the status of being self-employed when you're out there making deliveries with Uber Eats? Before we determine the answer, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help you increase profits in your career. So, to answer if Uber Eats is considered self-employment, we need to sift through a bit of information here. You see, when you're working as a driver for Uber Eats, you're essentially your own boss. You get to decide when you want to work and how long you want to work. Sounds a bit like being self-employed, doesn't it? But hold on a second. Let's dig a bit deeper. Did you know that a significant number of drivers have chosen this flexible mode of working as a means to supplement their income? In fact, in the year 2020, a survey revealed that almost 60% of gig workers had another primary job. This kind of gig lets you manage your time in a way that suits you, giving you the reins, quite literally. And here's another thing to ponder on. As a driver for Uber Eats, you're not exactly an employee of the company in the traditional sense. You don't get benefits like health insurance, sick leave, or a retirement plan through them. But they do offer a platform that connects you, the driver, to folks who want their food delivered to their doorstep. It's like a modern marketplace where you provide the service and they provide the platform. All right, now you're thinking, what about the earnings? Well, this is where it gets interesting. Your earnings are directly proportional to the number of deliveries you make, plus the tips you earn. And while we're at it, let's share a fun fact. Around 90% of Uber Eats orders in 2019 included a tip for the driver. That's a neat little addition to your earnings, right? So piecing it all together, it's clear that working as a driver for Uber Eats has quite a few hallmarks of being self-employed. You have the freedom to work on your terms, and your earnings are directly tied to your effort. But remember, this is not a one-size-fits-all answer. Different regions might have varying regulations that affect your working status. So, while we've painted a broader picture here, it would be wise to check up on your local laws to know exactly where you stand. To do so in the easiest possible way, simply visit legalregistration.com or just call our business experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on Uber Eats drivers? Should they officially be considered self-employed or classified as employees? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help you make smart decisions and consistent profits.